Hello, welcome. Today I have to share with you some dumbbell bicep curls. This is perfect for seniors or anyone who wants to improve arm strength and increase circulation to your arms, to your extremities. This will really help things out, keep the range of motion going. So, with a couple of dumbbells, we're going to stand with good posture, feet shoulder width apart, slightly bent knees, and remember to keep your core tight. With the dumbbells down at the sides, palms facing up, you're just going to curl one at a time. Focus on the curl, exhale as you bring it up, and then allow it to go back down slowly. Start to bring the other one up, and allow it to go back down slowly. Exhaling as you lift the weight. That contracts the core and keeps your body straight, your posture upright. Keep the head in line. Focus on the squeeze right here in the bicep. Pulling the weight up and then allowing it back down. Work the positive side of the motion as well as the negative. So control it on the way down. Don't let it go sloppy. Up, controlled on the way down. Up, controlled on the way down. Nice simple movement is going to help ensure that you have good circulation all the way down to your hands and keep your arm strength up so that you can stay active.